Hi guys. Um, work today. How y'all been doing? Today is Friday. Happy end of the week. But I got one for you today here. For those of you who got Kia Sorento, it's a 2018. I believe it should be 16 to 2016 to like 2019 or 2020, something like that. But that's what we got here. Kia Sorento, and I'm about to do the oil change today, so it's gonna be quick. And if it cuts off, there will be another one following. So here we go. I'm trying to raise the car up all the way up so I can change the oil. But yeah, it's a little bit loud. The car is going up, so I'm taking it up all the way up so I can drain the oil and then come down again and do the filter. So we're going up, up, all the way up, not to the roof. Okay, I think that's better. So yeah, to work on this Friday. So yeah, the car is all the way up. Let me see here. I'm under the car. Trying to find the oil pan. I guess need to remove. Let's see. I need to remove this shield here. It's a metal shield. And hold on, let me get my light. It'll be better. Actually, I don't need to remove the shield. This shield here. This right here, this is the drain plug, so it will be easy. So let me see what size this is. Like a 15 to me. Hold on, let me hang this light here so I can show you. I'll be showing what I'm doing. Okay, that's better. Okay, this is the drain bolt for the oil. Actually, somebody was clever. Somebody cut this thing, like instead of removing the whole thing, they cut it, so which is easy, and that's clever. Well, mechanics be having a lot of hacks, man. Let me see down here on my tools. I think that might be a 15. Sorry, it's dark in here, so 15. But let me just grab 14 just in case. Okay, so I'm trying to change the oil. This is a 2018 Kia Sorento. Okay, and this is a 14 millimeter. Okay, 14 don't fit, so definitely it's gonna be a 15. So let's see, this is a 15. 15 don't fit too, so normally we don't have 16, so I guess I'll go for 17, and that should take care of it. Sorry, look at my workbench. My workbench is dirty. Like, I need to clean today. Today is Friday before I go home. Yeah, it's been a long week, but I'm glad when I hear Friday. I'm like, hey, yeah. So this is what you use to drain the oil at the shop. I'm just gonna put it down here so that the oil starts draining on it. It's a long tube. I'm under the car, the whole car. So yeah, let me see. Yes, I knew it was a 17, so First of all, let me move this a little bit. Like I said, that's why you drain your oil down under the car. So this is what I'm using, 17. I tried 14, 15, didn't fit, so I'll try 17, so I just, oops, 17, let me get a big 17, because that one ain't got no power, so yeah, this is a big 17, and then I get the big boy. Where is it at? Okay, this is the big boy. This one will do it. Okay. Sorry. Yes.
Can you also rotate the tires, please?
Okay, I will.
Thank you.
Okay.
Earlier when you came in?
Yeah, sorry. Okay. Oh, then you wanna? Okay. Okay. It's already loose, so I'm ready to get dirty now. Watch. I got my catch pan here. This is gonna catch all the oil. So. Let me see. I hope it don't show everywhere. Ooh, there we go. And of course, I told you it's gonna get me. So I'm changing the oil. The oil is dripping. I'm gonna drip all that. See how dirty it is. It's like dark brown. Like it should be like yellowish. So man, people take so long to change the oil, man. You should do it every like 3,000 miles if you drive a lot. If you don't drive a lot, I mean, 6,000 miles is okay, which is like 6 months, but still, that's too long, even if you don't drive a lot. Oil is like life to a car, so anyway, that oil is dirty, man. So I'm gonna cut this short. This is gonna be the first one, and then I'll put the other one. So once we drain this, I put the bolt back in there. Then I'm gonna lower the car down. We go do the filter up there on top, and then we add our oil, and pretty much we're done. So I'm gonna shoot another one when I drop it down and do the filter. Show you where the filter is. Again, this is a 2018 Kia Sorento SUV. If you have one of those, I've showed you where the drain plug is for the oil down here, and I'll see you on the next video. Just a little bit.